Hey guys, this is Ben with Myers Woodshop, and today we're going to be putting together the Suckit Dust Boot for the Shapeoko 3 XXL. Let's take a look.
What a mess! What you gonna do? You're gonna take out your suck it and you'll suck it! Suck it! Yeah. Take out your suck it and you'll suck it! Suck it! Yeah! Suck it! Yeah! Suck it! Yeah!
So I open up the package. Handwritten note. So I got the instructions inside. Got a lollipop, hilarious. Sticker and the height position stickers in there. The vacuum adapter. We have all the screws and nuts in this package. Well, here is the brushes that I'll attach to the bottom of this piece. This is your main boot. Looks like these are the side pieces that attach to your machine to hold the boot and go up and down. The vital items are these, the main side pieces where these ones will attach into and slide up and down for depth. So let's open up the instructions. Suckit Dust Boot sticker. The stickers that go on to this to tell you the height. Manual. So here's the instructions. We have a manual that shows you piece by piece and a picture. We have the manual here. It tells you where things go. And then they also give you a web address so you can look up some videos on how to attach it. So these are the wings that go on the other side. And these are up towards the top. These are going to hold the plastic clear pieces that fit in here and slide up and down. So the first things first is we need to take the stickers and attach them over on either side. So we're going to start on the left side, so we're going to take the left one, and we're going to get the left side that has the indentation towards the right. Stick it in here. I'm going to get one of these knobs, and then there's 6 screws that come with it. You're going to get there's 2 silver. Put that silver one on the knob. Place it through the top hole. Through back. Flip it over. You're going to see that we have 2 of these wing pieces. So we're going to make the wing tip go up. It'll fit in the hole